Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to do a different video today. Haven't done one of these in a while, so if you're new here, thanks for joining us. If you're just stumbling across this and you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. We have videos coming out all the time, and I just want to say thank you for those of you who are subscribers, and this is actually kind of a thank you to one of my subscribers. They actually pointed out that our most popular video, the random seed method, just passed 5,000 videos. I used to really watch these things when I was getting started, but I realized it was a distraction. So I don't watch the analytics as much as I used to. I still look at them, but this is just really, really humbling. And I just wanted to take a second to say thank you to all of you, and those of you who've been around a long time. Thank you very much. I just can't believe it. We now have several videos that have passed 1,000. And 1, 5,000, 3, 2, and so on. So this is extremely humbling. You guys challenge and push me all the time, so thank you. I really love doing this. I didn't know if I'd have the wherewithal, but you guys watching, commenting, asking questions, I just don't even think about it anymore. Got to do 7 videos a week, get them done, go through them, and it's just an absolute joy. And I just can't tell you, it's just a part of my routine now, a video a day. And then when you guys have an awesome question, I look at it, I get to do an extra video. I get to explore another topic that I haven't explained well enough. So I just can't say thank you enough, guys, and thank you to all of you. And if there's anybody out there who is interested in learning Python, please share this channel with them so they can partake and have these bite-size and micro videos. And the reason why I love saying those comments like that, those guys, those 2 descriptions of this channel came from you guys. I wasn't smart enough to come up with that description. So thank you as always. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.